Hi guys, we are finishing today with our work about past tense. So we are on Deel 4, part 4, the last part, and for today we are only going to look at one rule, and that is starting with a time word. Now, sometimes when you're asked to put a sentence into the past tense, you will be told to start with a specific time word. For example, a week gelede, a week ago, or die ander dag, the other day, or maandag, Monday. The time word will either be given to you or it will be within the sentence. Let's look at the examples, then you'll understand what I mean. Matthew lees 'n goeie boek. Matthew is reading a good book. Now I can either do this, gister ... means you need to start your sentence in the past tense with gister, which means yesterday, or I will write it in brackets at the end of the sentence like that to indicate to you that that is the time word you need to start with. Now, as you know, this is the stompie rule that we use, and the time word is only the third thing in the sentence. It doesn't ever come first. But in this case, it's an exception. So what we'll do is we will literally just swap around the subject and the time word. So it will be time, then verb 1, then subject, and the rest will follow as they normally do. So if we look at this example, Matthew lees 'n goeie boek, the time word will be first, and they give us the time word, it is gister. So there we have gister already. Next, I need my verb 1, and remember it's past tense, so my verb 1 will be het. My main verb will move to the end. So you apply the normal rule with het and ge and the verb at the end, but the only difference is you swap your time and your subject around. So now I have my time, my verb 1, then I will have my subject, Matthew, and then the rest of the sentence, 'n goeie boek, and then ge and my main verb, gelees. So gister het Matthew 'n goeie boek gelees. Yesterday Matthew read a good book. Instead of Matthew read a good book yesterday. Okay, we just start with the time word. Let's do one more example. Liatile maak Saterdag lekker kos. Liatile makes nice food on Saturday. Now this sentence already has a time word in. It is Saterdag. So I'm going to swap my subject and my time word around, and then I still apply my normal rule with het and ge and the verb at the end of the sentence. Okay, so let's start with the time word, Saterdag. Now I have het, which is my verb 1. Then I have my subject, liatile. Then remember this is my main verb, which is going to go to the end. So then I have my object, lekker kos, and then my main verb with gemaak. Saterdag het liatile lekker kos gemaak. I hope that makes sense, guys. Enjoy today's worksheet. Last one for the week. Bye.